top 2 deals for January 2023 at the depot. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribes and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Yes, lots of deals, lots of the new stuff, the garden stuff that's out, and some of the clearance. Starting with this, we have a whole, if you guys didn't know, Ryobi has like 20 different blowers and 20 different string trimmers. And that's just an example of how many they have. They have a whole bunch. I do recommend this line if you guys have a string trimmer, electric string trimmer. I recommend the DeWalt line. That's a nice one. If you guys can't afford the Milwaukee, you guys can go with the DeWalt for $6.99. It is the self-propelled 21-inch. You are getting 210 amp hour batteries. And then this one, you're getting same thing, but you're getting just the push mower. And then for clearance or lower price, you got $441. This is a 60-volt 21-inch Toro. It's a solid brand. Definitely recommend this one. It's down from $629. My guess is they're probably not selling as much as they are, but it's always been at the depot, so you're always going to have those batteries there. And they're some of the clearance items here. You got a clear wood finish. We got our Ryobi Gen 2 brushless trimmer, 120 down from $199. It is the kit. It does have the easy load. And then we still have this chainsaw. I believe I've seen this chainsaw for months now. It already has a lot of dust. It is the CS9 490. It's $228. Might want to check the price on this one if you guys see it at your store. It is 20 inches. Because it's been there quite a lot, so I guess it's probably going to be lowered anytime soon if it's not already lowered. So $149 for this mower. This is just a push mower, basic, 40 volts. They got 2 of them here. They got the brush, the Ryobi 11-piece brush set, scrubber set for the drills, or the impact drivers for $29.97, down from $39.97. They got this extension, this outdoor extensions, 50-footer. For $24.98. Not bad. It is Husky brand, 14 gauge. And they got the 75-footer landscape extension cord. This one's $8.94. It is 16 gauge. Alright, they got this nailer. This is a 16 gauge angled finish nailer from DeWalt. It's $2.99. They're from $3.29. Make sure you guys double check the price on them. Sometimes those are cheaper. $19 for the staple gun. This is a 4-in-1 staple. It's just basically a staple gun here. Heavy duty 4-in-1 stapler. So it's not like a battery operated stapler. It's just a handheld. You got a Google Wi-Fi 2-pack, $269. That's the Nest Wi-Fi thing. And then you got a ratchet strap. Or straps, a pair right there, 15 footers, $18. You got the drill and impact driver. This is the old promo from for the Christmas or the holiday season. It's down to $139. I don't know if you're still able to get the free tool or not. Let me know that in the comment section if you guys try that. You got the angle grinders. You got a couple of Bosch angle grinders. This is the 9-inch. This is the bigger one, 15 amp. $161 down from $229. Then you got the smaller one. This is the 4.5. This one's down to $70, down from $99. Not too bad. You got the 8 amp hour and the 3 amp hour. So that 8 amp hour is more than that. So that's a pretty good deal. Alright, for this one, you got the 7-piece hole dozer. $29 was $39.88. You got a reciprocating saw blades from Diablo. 28 pieces for $29.88. I believe it's the same price. It's not lowered. You got a 2-piece of the filters for the vacuums. $17.88. It was $26.97. And then you got the Ryobi Link stuff there on clearance. There's just a whole bunch of stuff there. $9.98 for the double bin. And then you got this whole Milwaukee 3-inch carbide hole saw for $24. Alright, onto the rigid stuff. They do got some of the rigid here on this store. This one's $34.98 for the milk crate. And then they got this is the recovery strap, $9.97, and they got a combination wrench set for $34.97. About 10 piece. You got inflators for $29. This is some old stuff from the holidays. They still got some of this stuff left over. Most of this is the ones that are corded. You got the extension reel for $89. Hopefully some of this stuff will hit the clearance section. They still got the DeWalt deals. So any of the bare tools are $169. If you add the, I believe a 9 amp hour battery and a charger in a bag, you add $400. So $269 for the circular saw, the angle grinder, or the reciprocating saw. If you want the tough system with the tools, is $499 the bundle. And then the impact wrench is $299. That's the high torque impact wrench. That is the circular saw. That's the bare tool, $169. And then you got the label there for, well, that's the drill, the hammer drill, and the oscillating tool, $169. Tool combo. Alright, you got the nailer and then a compressor, 6-gallon compressor, $239. So there's a bad nailer. You got this nice tow system kit. They got one left from the holidays. It's down to $89. You got the table saw for $299. I'm pretty sure all these deals are gonna, either they're gonna hit the clearance or they're gonna just, put them back at their regular aisles. $59.97. JobSite Pro wireless earphones. I personally would recommend something else. There's a lot of good options out there for just about the same money. But if you want something for that brand or yellow, there you go. You got a compressor there for $115. Also, let us know down in the comment section if you guys see any better deals at your stores. You got a 7-tool combo kit for $499. Milwaukee M18. I guess those are brush tools. They're not brushless. They're not fuel. You got the nailer there for $379. Then you got the buy one get one free. They still got this deal going on. So if you buy any other tools, you get a 2-pack for free. 2 6 amp hour batteries. And these should be hackable too. So, alright, they got the HDX dual layer nitro gloves. $14.98. Not too bad. Got a fold back utility knife, $4.97 from Husky. A quick blade change. They got the buy more save more still available, I believe, to the 30th of this month. So you guys still got a few days to get these deals. I believe the pack out's still $218. Make sure you guys double check that. If you guys are still looking to get into the pack out, that's a pretty good deal. Otherwise, they might raise the price. They got some rigid items here. They got a vacuum. I believe that's $79. They got a compressor with 3 guns or 3 nail guns for $199. $29. The whole dozer bimetal 7-piece kits. That's it right there. I believe the other Home Depot was already sold out on those. They still got this one not in stock, but they still got it up, so they might honor it. So $99 for the brand new Gen 3 M12 fuel impact driver with kits. $14.97 for the demolition gloves. Those are some nice gloves. And then you got the respirators there. But yeah, I really like these gloves. These gloves are nice. They got $29.98 for the headlamp and the pen light. They only have the pen light left here, 100 lumen. That's the way it looks on this section. So they're phasing it out slowly, and they're gonna bring the new stuff in. So, and they still got the DeWalt's here. the DeWalt's, and then they got this table, industrial rolling table, $3.99, 62 inches. They got the mower, $11.99. A lot of you are saying that this is defected. It does come. These mowers are defected. I don't know if there's. I believe Master Mayhem. He has a video out. I haven't checked it out yet, but some of you commented down on the last video that mower has a lot of defect, or it does have a defect that it won't start or something like that. It would just die. They got the string trimmer here. $24.97 for the chain, replacement chain, and then you got $3.19 for the pruning saw, and $2.49 for the edge trimmer. And those are the specifications for the edge trimmer. Tool only. They got reusable earplugs for $5.67. You guys like rocking the bread. Anti-scratch safety glasses, $12, $12.88. And then you got a 2-pack of 6 for $2.79. That's kind of pricey actually. So, and then you got pneumatic adjustable, $44.88. And that was $20, I believe, on clearance on some other stores last month. So a lot of you got them. I didn't get one because I didn't see it at my store for $20. $19.98 for the adjustable cargo nets. And that's it right there. And then you got the 2-tier hardware bin, $12.98. All right, so we got the Bridget. So $67.97 for the rolling, $31 for the smaller one, and $39 for the medium size. So that is a medium size box. That's pretty large. So if you guys can't afford Milwaukee Packout, definitely go with the Bridget. I think it's probably the best bang for your buck. It's gonna kind of the middle of the road there. You know, not too expensive, but not the cheapest, and you do have a contractor grade or professional grade quality here. So definitely check it out. Lots of I mean, it might be limited on the accessories that they have, but they do have the basics. They do have boxes and rolling toolboxes, so they do have their basics there. So $39.97 for the 22-inch gear 2.0. That's $67.97 for the rolling. They still got the buy one get one free for the miter saws, for the Joby miter saws. I'm not gonna go over all of them because we've seen these before. And you do have the choice of getting the battery or the corded. So obviously the cordless is the one to get. You got this organizer, 35-piece pegboard for $14.88. It does come with 2 big pieces, or 2 16x16, I believe. They got the 6 heavy-duty storage hooks for $14.88 to organize the garage. They got the document organizers, $14.88, few bags included. So 12-inch document bags, 4-pack. All right, so they got the Milwaukee, the fuel blower kit, $3.99. And they got the string trimmer. That is the chainsaw, $3.89 for a 16-inch chainsaw. A lot of you are saying that one leaks oil, so I don't know. You guys let me know that in the comment section. And then you got the fuel. All right, so they got the buy one get one free. This is new. I never seen this before at a store. So they do have. I believe these are hackable. So you know, you guys can do the math. So $3.19 for the pruning saw and $3.19 for the edge trimmer kits. Those are both of the kits. And I believe, and they do have a price on the back. I don't know if the price on the back is cheaper because they just put that sticker on top. So they might have a sale on this. That is a 6-inch pruning saw. It does include a 4 amp hour battery, a charger, and this one does include a 4 amp hour as well, and then the charger. And then you're gonna get that battery for free. So you do get the high output 2.5 amp hour battery. And if you guys want to hack it, you guys can return that battery. So $529 for the 2-tool combo kit. That's the blower and the string trimmer. It does include one 8 amp hour battery, and then the M18 fuel blower. So I don't know if you guys want to invest in the Milwaukee. A lot of you want to keep the same battery, so it might be worth it, to invest in Milwaukee tools. They're pretty solid. I mean, I do have the M18 blower, the first one that came out. It's pretty decent. It's not the strongest, but it works. Then you got the Joby stuff. This is mostly 18 volts. So all this 18 volt stuff is mostly, it's kind of weak, to tell the truth. It's only 350 CFM. That's not a lot. So I would, for a smaller yard, I would think they're pretty good. But if you want something nicer, then more power, then obviously move on to the 40 volts. And that is the mower for $499 and the string trimmer for $279. They still got the Ryobi or the rigid deals here for the miter saws, the stands, and table saw. They got this pressure washer, 330 psi or 3,300 psi, and it's compatible with all those accessories. This is $529 for the 3,300 psi, 2.5 gallons per minute. Then they got the electric pressure washer, 1,800 psi. It's $139. It's actually expensive because I believe last year was $100. Then they got this power cleaner. This was actually not bad at all. I mean, the price is expensive, but I really like the tool. It's nice to clean, just, not bend over. You can clean down on the floor or whatever, up on the wall. You get scrubber accessory kits. And then you got the scrubbers. You got the soft and the hard bristle. And then those brushes are $9 or $9.97. And then the cleaning kit is for the drills is $29.97, and then the brush telescopic scrubber is $169. That's expensive. I'm gonna wait until see if they have a price drop on that one. All right, so they got the mower here. This is a really nice mower. If you don't want all the fancy stuff, this will get the job done basically. These are solid. They've been making mowers for a long time. They got a 20-inch self-propelled for $499. They got this pressure cleaner. These are pretty much weak. These are for lighter duty cleaning. If you're looking to get pressure washer pressure, you're not gonna get it. You have to buy something like this. So this is an electric start gas, 3,400 psi, 2.5 gallon per minute, $649. And then you got the cleaner accessory here. You got the electric. This is 2,100 psi. This one's nice. It is a little on the pricey side though. That's it for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.